Want to learn coding but don't have money for expensive courses? Good news! You don't need to spend a single dollar to start coding today. Here are 3 amazing websites that teach you coding completely for free, whether you're a beginner or want to level up your programming skills. Website 1: freecodecamp.org. This website is a goldmine for beginners. You can learn everything from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to more advanced topics like Python, data analysis, and even machine learning. The best part? It's completely project-based. You'll build real websites and apps as you learn, not just watch videos. Plus, once you finish each course, you get free verified certificates you can add to your portfolio or LinkedIn profile. Many developers actually got hired after learning just from FreeCodeCamp. Website 2: we have theodinproject.com. This one's perfect if you want to become a web developer. It covers both front-end and back-end development, using real-world tools like Git, Node.js, and React. What makes it special is its community-based learning. You can join their Discord, discuss coding problems, and even collaborate on open-source projects. It's like a virtual coding bootcamp, but 100% free. Website 3, and finally w3schools.com. This site has been around forever, and it's one of the easiest ways to learn coding interactively. It's great for beginners who want to learn by doing. You can try code directly in your browser, see instant results, and quickly test how different languages work, from HTML and Python to SQL and JavaScript. It's simple, fast, and super beginner-friendly. So, there you have it: FreeCodeCamp, the Odin Project, and W3 Schools. 3 free websites that can take you from zero to job-ready developer without spending a single cent. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to start coding for free. Because knowledge should be free, and now, so is coding. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.